Are you struggling to insert a massive amount of data into your MySQL database using Hibernate? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to insert 100,000 rows in under 5 seconds. I completely understand your frustration. Waiting 35 seconds for an insert operation can feel like an eternity, especially when you're trying to optimize your application. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's take a closer look at your situation. You mentioned trying various optimizations, like switching from an identity sequence generator to manually assigning IDs. That's a smart move. But even with batch inserts enabled, you're still stuck at 35 seconds. So what's next? The issue you're facing could stem from several factors, including how Hibernate manages sessions and transactions, or even the database configuration itself. Understanding these elements is crucial for speeding up your inserts. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to significantly reduce your insert time, and I promise you won't want to miss the final tip. To improve the insert speed, the user should first consider using a single transaction for all inserts. This can significantly reduce the overhead of committing each insert individually. Next, the user should increase the batch size for Hibernate. A larger batch size can help optimize the number of database round trips. Additionally, the user can utilize multiple threads to perform inserts concurrently. This can help leverage the database's ability to handle multiple connections. Finally, the user should consider disabling auto-flush and auto-commit features in Hibernate during the batch insert process. This can further enhance performance. Fun fact, the first databases were designed to handle only a few hundred records. Now we're talking about inserting hundreds of thousands in seconds. Technology has come a long way. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to use Hibernate's stateless session. This command-oriented API is designed for bulk operations and does not implement a first-level cache or interact with second-level caches. It bypasses Hibernate's event model and is generally faster for certain types of transactions. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach to improve insert speed in Hibernate includes several strategies. First, consider using dynamic insert and dynamic update to optimize database operations by only inserting or updating necessary columns. Next, test inserting data directly into the database without Hibernate to identify if Hibernate is the bottleneck. Additionally, utilize a session factory to commit transactions every 100 inserts, or open a single transaction for multiple inserts. Another suggestion is to use the sequence ID generation strategy, allowing Hibernate to pre-allocate IDs, which can enhance performance. Lastly, consider implementing caching to further speed up operations. These strategies can significantly improve your insert performance, but be cautious as improper use may lead to timing issues. Here's the pro tip. Regularly monitor your database performance and adjust your configurations as needed. This habit can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. With these strategies, you should be well on your way to inserting those 100,000 rows in under 5 seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.